Manang, happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Ah, Sana marami ka pang birthdays to come. At saka yung health mo, laging healthy. Maraming salamat sa mga panalangin mo sa akin. Alam ko na tuwing magsisimba ka, laging kasama ang pamilya ko. Lalo-lalo na ako. Yan lang. Happy birthday.
Manang, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Ingatan mo sarili mo. Alam mo naman, makakasunod tayo. Yung, alam mo, 10 tayo. Yung si Mang Noli Boy. Tapos yung sumunod, si Kuya Willie. Tapos si Manang Chita. Nagsunod-sunod sila. Ingatan mo sarili mo kasi pag nawala ka, ibig sabihin sunod na ako. Please, ingatan mo sarili mo. Thank you so much sa mga naitulong mo sa akin. I will never forget that. Thank you so much. Pasensya ka naman. Alam mo naman, mababaw luha ko eh. Alam ko bawal lumuha, pero I love you so much. As my sister. Ingat ka parati. Yun lang ang gusto kong mangyari sa'yo. Itong 78th birthday mo. Good health, peaceful mind, and be happy. Again, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Meldy!
Excited ako sa mangyayari. I wish you enjoy this night. Kasi sabi mo nga daw sa nakasama mo. One time lang magkaroon ng 70th birthday. So sana kung anong mangyari ngayon, mauulit sa akin after 2 years. Happy birthday.
Feels just like it should. Life is good.
Ako naman, sister, nagpapasalamat ako una sa lahat sa Panginoon na binigyan ka ng maayos na health, no? Even though na matagal ka sa Amerika, nayukubak sa Pilipinas kasama mga kapatid mo, pamangkin mo, mga apo mo, at patuloy kaming magdarasal sa iyong health at pagpalain ka ng Panginoon sa iyong katawan, Ellen. Happy birthday, Meldy!
When I'm with you, I know I'm where I belong. Life is good. Life is good. Every moment together feels just like it should. Life is good. Life is good.
Happy 70th birthday, Lola Meldy. Today, as you celebrate this incredible milestone, we want you to know how deeply loved and appreciated you are. Your life has been a blessing to so many people. 70 years ago, God blessed this world with someone truly special. May God continue to bless you with strength and joy, and may He surround you with the same love that you have given to others throughout your life. Thank you for being the wonderful woman that you are. Again, happy birthday, Lola Melody.
Happy 70th birthday, Tita Meldy. Our beautiful 70th will live life that will inspire us all. I wish you a more useful and healthy years.
I thank God for this wonderful day for you, Sis Melody, and you are so blessed.
May God grant you today the things that money cannot buy, the things that lift the spirit and gladden the heart, the things that cannot be stolen and do not fade with time. Above all, the best of everything good, love, joy, and good health.